Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the offset tool and all its features. Let's begin. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the offset tool. Use this function to create, copy, or move a selected element, such as a wall or beam, a specified distance and direction parallel to the selected element. You can apply an offset to a single element or a chain of elements in the same family. You can specify the offset distance by clicking to place the selected elements or by entering a numerical value. This tool works on a few different elements. For example, walls, details lines, sketch lines, and model lines. To select this tool, click the Modify tab, Modify panel, and then select one of the two methods to input the offset distance. The graphical method, this allows you to set the offset distance in the active view by clicking to place the selected elements. The numerical method, this allows to preset the offset distance, using the Type in Value box on the options bar. Let's start using the numerical method. On the options bar, set to numerical method. Type in a distance you want your elements to be offset, and hit the Enter key. Now simply hover your cursor over elements in the active view. Notice that Revit shows you a preview of which side the offset element will be created. Click in the view to create the offset element. Let's now take a look at the graphical method. Once you have selected offset from the Modify menu, go ahead and select graphical from the options bar. With a graphical method, you are going to define a start point and an end point. The distance between the 2 points will be your offset distance. So it's very similar to the copy tool. Go ahead and select the element you wish to offset. Now click to define a start point, move your cursor some distance away from this point and then click again to define the offset distance. Notice that after you click your start point, Revit shows you on the screen where the offset will be made by the presence of the dashed blue line. The position of this line changes as you move your cursor. Now go ahead and make my second click, to create a copy of the element.